Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to see you all back here with another Litecoin update. In this this video, we'll do a full update on this. We'll talk about the Litecoin halving a little bit because we've actually barely seen any movement because of that. Here you can see it's the 2nd of August, so it's next week. Next week on Wednesday in the afternoon. So I will cover that, all right? I will keep you updated on that, but in this video we'll talk a little bit about the effects of that as well and what I generally think of it and what we could still see in terms of price from that. But we'll just do a full analysis as well, right? So we'll just talk about the current market structure as well and kind of blend in the halving effects in that. So that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into that, as most of you know, I also have my own trading signals group. So if you are interested in that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, or go to cilinix.com, and there you can also, under trading signals, find out a little bit more about it, about the analysis, what it actually looks like right here. So if that's something you're interested in, consider joining. But for now, let's get into Litecoin. So the first thing we've seen with Litecoin is that the volume has dropped down significantly, while the volume in the markets is also down, but not necessarily down that much. And there was also a big sell-off Monday, but that was throughout the entire market. But it's interesting, all right? It does mean something. So overall, Litecoin right now, I think it has shifted into somewhat of a bearish market structure. I don't think that's a hot take. I don't think I'm saying anything that's completely crazy right now. After that bearish breakout, we've actually turned bearish. We found some support at the 0.382 FIB, but I actually do still expect more moves down in the end. But for now, it actually looks like, and that also brings us to the Litecoin halving, it looks like we can get some short-term bullish momentum. So what I've always said with the Litecoin halving is that the month before we would actually get bullish momentum, which we also did, and there are videos out there that I made actually predicting this if you're interested in that. But that's usually what happens with big events like this. Like a month before also happened with the merge for Ethereum, then we're very bullish, and then when it actually comes very close, maybe you get a spike up, but then you actually get a sell-off usually. So that's also what I expect for Litecoin. There's a potential spike up all the way to like $98 or 102. I think that's possible. But overall, I think we're dropping down to levels around $84 with the potential to do a liquidity spike all the way down to $81 and $80. So overall, I'm actually quite bearish. So what I expect will happen, especially with the volatility that's expected from the interest rate decision and the press conference afterwards, I think what will happen is that we'll try to test this level right here at around $93. Now, if we can actually break above that, then I think that would confirm some sort of a last Litecoin rally. All right, so that we will actually get a move up to 97.5 and $98 at least. All right, is this realistic? Yes. Is it the most likely scenario? I don't think so. But it's something you should know. Like if we close above $93, I think this is in play. I do think we'll test that level. Like we're also seeing some recovery from Bitcoin. So I do think we can test that level. I still think the most likely scenario is that from there we'll respect the bearish market structure and that will drop down, like I said, to $84 with a potential liquidity spike like we also did right here, for example. Down to that $81 and $80 level. That's my expectation. That's my analysis for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.